What's up, guys? So today we're gonna prep the Honda Acty's bed. We're gonna actually put some bed liner on it, see how it comes out. As you can tell, there's a bunch of little surface rust spots, some scratches on this bed. So we want to kind of bring it back to life and refresh it. So we cleaned the surface of the bed. Now we're gonna sand it. Once we get done sanding, we'll tape everything off, and then we'll get to spraying. We'll spray some bed liner on it, see how it turns out. Using some bed liner in a can. I was looking online. It's not very ideal, but it's a little cheaper alternative, and that's kind of what I'm going for. I don't need anything perfect. I mean, at the end of the day, it's a truck bed. I plan on using it. It's gonna get scratched up. I just want to see how durable it is. I ended up getting a can of some Hercules paint. I'll show you later in the video. But yeah, right now we're gonna get the sand and sand some of this surface just so we can get a nice bind with the paint. Once we get that taken care of, go from there. So further ado, let's get to it. So I'm just using some 600 grit sandpaper. All I'm trying to accomplish is basically just scratching up the surface, getting rid of some of that surface rust, getting rid of any of the deep scratches, imperfections. And the 600 grit looks like it's working pretty well. Like I said, I just want to get a nice good bind with the paint, make sure it all sticks. Once we get it all finished and sanded up, we're gonna clean it off, take it tack cloth, wipe it all down, and then we'll start prepping, start getting everything taped off. So yeah, let's get this all cleaned up and go from there. Alright, so you can see we got the surface prepped and clean. We actually gone ahead and taped everything off and sanded everything, and we also started putting some of the bed liner on. I wanted to spray it, just kind of see how it looks, how it's going, kind of give you guys some feedback on how it looks after it dries. I did run out of some bed liner, so I went and got picked some up. So I'll actually finish and spraying the rest with you guys. But I got a cheap can of that Hercules bed liner, and it's not bad. I mean, for the price, it has a little bit of texture to it. It definitely covered up all the scratches and everything, which I'm very impressed, because I didn't think it was going to do all that. But it covered everything up. It's actually lays on really thick, which I like. Super easy to spray, nice even layers. So I am very impressed with that bed liner. I'm gonna take you guys for a little walk around. Here's a little walk around. Got everything nice and taped off. And as you can see, it looks pretty decent. I mean, you get what you pay for, right? And we went with a nice cheap can of bed liner, so I can't be too mad, can't complain. I mean, you guys remember this stuff had a lot of surface rust, and I mean no flake, no nothing. I mean, prep is key in situations like these, but I think it's definitely coming out really nice. Definitely exceeded my expectations. This is something you guys plan on doing with your acne. I would highly recommend. I mean, it's gonna look a world of a difference already. All right, so no further ado, let's get to it. Let's finish painting it. I don't know why I keep calling it Hercules bed liner. It's actually Hercule liner. I don't know. But let's start spraying. Let's get the rest of it done. got the Bedliner sprayed. Gonna let this dry and then put the bed sides on and see how we did. Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. If you like, make sure you guys like this video, comment, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you.